Hello students, myself Dr. Jyoti Shegokar. I once again welcome you in my YouTube channel, which is a Dr. Jyoti Shegokar, in which our today's topic of discussion is lubricant. So we will see lubricants mechanism in this lecture. So we have already seen the introductory portion about the lubricant as well as the different type of functions of lubricant. Now next is a hydrodynamic lubrication. So mechanism of lubrication is nothing but how lubrication occurs. So here there are three ways to carry out the mechanism of lubrication, that is hydrodynamic lubrication, boundary lubrication and extreme pressure lubrication. We will see it one by one. So first of all, hydrodynamic lubrication. So hydrodynamic lubrication is also called as a thick film lubrication because its film is comparatively thicker than the other mechanisms, and as well as it is also called as the fluid film lubrication. It is because those lubricant which is there is in the liquid state or in the fluid state, while it is also called as a hydrodynamic lubrication because if there is a lot of heat produced during the lubrication, it will be absorbed by the lubricant. So it is a hydrodynamic lubrication or fluid film lubrication or thick film lubrication. So you can see here a diagram in which there is a two moving or sliding surfaces. These are the two surfaces which are having its velocity in the one direction, or it may have the opposite directions velocity. So in between these there is an insertion of the lubricant, that is lubricant is introduced in between the two sliding or moving surfaces to remove the friction, and when as it is having a thick size generally which is greater than 1000 angstrom unit, so due to which it keeps the asperities and the asperities or the peaks of the two different surfaces away from each other because of its own position in between these, and it will keep it will not show any type of friction as well as the wear and tear. So it is a very important type of a mechanism which is carried out in a lot of type of machineries. The examples are there, just like example is the in the whenever there is a use of the scientific instruments which are to be used, which are in very delicate in nature or smaller in size, they are having such type of lubrication inside it. Then the wristwatches, then wall clocks. So these are the different examples. Sewing machine is one of the example. So in this way, where there is a use of such type of lubricants, then we will see its coefficient of friction. So coefficient of friction is nothing but the force which is due to the friction, that is the frictional force. When frictional force is divided by the applied load, it is called as a coefficient of friction. So coefficient of friction must be minimum. So actually in case of this hydrodynamic lubrication, 0.001 to 0.03 is the coefficient of friction in case of hydrodynamic lubrication. Whenever there is no use of any lubricant, at that time this particular ratio or flow is 0.05 to 0.3, something such type of the frictional coefficient is found. So here there is a very low coefficient of friction, it means that there is no friction found. So in this way, generally the use for the thick film lubrication, the oils which are used, these are made particularly from hydrocarbon, because hydrocarbon, they are a highly molecular weight compounds. So hydrocarbons oils are there, in which there is a some of the times they are blended with a particularly the high polymers or a long chain polymers, so that there will be more and more viscosity to carry out the proper functioning and mechanism of this lubrication. So in the generally petroleum fractions, there is a addition of the petroleum fractions, there is a addition of different type of oils, means it will be blended with a particular type of polymers. So in this way, these are the different this is the total information about the hydrodynamic lubrication. So this diagram is also important, while whenever in this case of lubricants there is found any type of viscosity which is greater, or the means I want to say you that it will keep just away from the each other. This portion particularly, as it is a very thick, it will keep these two parts away from each other. There is no viscosity, or we can say that there is no frictional force found. Whenever if we found any type of viscosity, it is due to the internal type of those internal molecules of oil, or the that lubricant is there. Due to them, if there is found any type of a viscosity or the stickiness. So in this way, hydrodynamic lubrication is the best way to carry out the lubrication wherever there is a comparatively more load, as well as the temperature and pressure is there. In this way, we have seen this particular mechanism of hydrodynamic lubrication, which is very important according to exam point of view. Thank you very much.